Hello, this is Samjin WeldTech, the top welding automation brand in Korea. The video you're watching showcases a fully automated system that uses two articulated robots. One robot continuously moves and attaches the supplied materials to the jig, while the other robot rotates the jig and automatically welds the supplied materials. Additionally, our system sprays a spatter prevention agent and air to completely clean the jig and welding area. The welding monitoring system installed in the system manages the production quantity of unmanned materials, notifies the occurrence of defective products, and manages production by lot number, which can be linked to the ERP system in the office for production quantity confirmation and prediction. Samjin WeldTech is the leading welding automation solution company in Korea, having successfully implemented welding automation for over 500 companies. Our unmatched expertise and 30 years of welding machine production experience combine to provide customized systems to meet the needs of our customers with the highest quality. Thank you for watching until the end.